Hello, David at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a newly traded in 2020 23-foot Sunliner. This boat's by Harris. It's a center walk-through floor layout. Has the premium package with the upgraded table, dock lights, interior lighting package. It's a dual helm seating layout. Bimini top behind my head, tilt steering wheel, change house, ski tow bar. It is powered with a Mercury 4-stroke 150 engine. At current, it has about 104 hours on it. It is available. Will be completely serviced and detailed and ready for next season. Come on down to MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'd love to show it to you.